Dog's tired. So, I have been out at the farm property all day, and we had fish stocking. I think I just put that video up. We had to build some stairs for the shed. We had to clean up all the stump grindings out there, and it's like 4:30, and I came out back, and I'm like, dude, I gotta cut this putting green. It's too fuzzy. So I figured I'd grab the camera and shoot it. Watch it if you want. Sometimes it's relaxing to watch it. Someone had a question about why I overlap so much when I cut my putting green. It's because normally when I was young, when I was actually working on courses, we'd always double cut. So we'd cut one way and then we'd cut the other way. So we'd always double cut putting greens. Well, I don't want to do that because this dwarf bent is so delicate. So I do a half overlap to kind of double cut, make sure I'm getting all of it. That's what I'm doing. The other thing is after I cut it, I'm going to put some green shocker. The only thing we've been putting on this year is green shocker, and that's it. Every week I'm coming out and I'm putting a light coat of green shocker, water it in, and it has done phenomenal. So if you have new seed, put some green shocker on it. It's instant, it's fast release, micro size, love the stuff. I'll cut it, watch it if you want to. If not, Netflix is on. Go watch Netflix. So, not too shabby looking. Let's take a look at it close up. You know, I didn't think, to be honest, I didn't think that this was going to fill in that much. But it has really filled in nicely. Look at that. Really happy with that. Now, I keep saying if I had to pay for this course to play on, I'd ask for a refund, but we didn't think we were going to have any kind of putting green this year, so to have this, I'm thrilled. Again, this is dwarf bent, and the only thing I'm putting on this is green shocker, and that's it, once a week. So we've got green chucker, little hand spreader. Got it set on number 2. And that's all I'm putting out every week. You know, maybe what's that, 4 or 5 cups on top of this. Now, green chucker is a DG product, dispersible granule. So as soon as you wet it, within 1 to 3 minutes, those particles will break apart. So what I do is I come out and I mist it, just like all my DG products. I come out and I mist it, let it sit. I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna put some water on it and get it in, and that's it, I'm done. Now I can take my butt inside and relax a little bit. I'm tired. Talk to you later. Doc.